Hi guys, my name is Rodney. I am a product formulator, a business coach, and an owner of an award-winning brand. I also have an online store with more than 2,000 5-star ratings and a single father. Okay guys, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is a glass cleaner and table wipe or table cleaner, and simple lang, just 2 ingredients na very easy to find, organic and non-toxic. And ito ay skin or peel of orange peel. Ito just one regular size ng orange, pwede ring dalandan, and vinegar, just the white vinegar. So gagawin lang natin, because this container is approximately 250 ml or 1 cup. So isasalin lang natin dito hanggang kahit hindi siya punong-puno para hindi mahirap. Tapos takpan natin. Then, iwan muna natin siya ng 1 week para ma-absorb ng vinegar yung mga acid from the skin of orange. And then, babalikan natin siya after 1 week. Ayan. So, ito, hindi ko na hinintay na exactly 1 week. After 5 days, ayan ang itsura niya. Open natin. Medyo nag-change yung color. Orangey, medyo orange siya ng konti. So, kailangan lang natin is funnel or embudo and empty spray bottle. Tapos, sasalin lang natin. That's it. Pwede na nating gamitin for windows, for tiles. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple.